Welcome back. Renu Pothan joins us now to take your mutual fund questions. Thanks, Renu, like always, for coming by. There is Nitin Gangrade, who's waiting by from Indore to ask his question. Okay, we've got an email from him. He's got SBI Contra, where he's put in 5,000 rupees as a one-time investment. He's got SBI Pharma, again 5,000 as a one-time investment. And he's got UTI Master Share. He's got 1,100 of those shares. He bought it way back in 1988. And he's got an SIP going with HDFC Top 200, where he's putting in 1,000 per month. Now, he wants to increase that installment to 5,000 rupees per month. Is this the right time? And he can hold on for 10 years, Renu.
Yeah, let me first go through his portfolio. As far as the funds are concerned, like an SBI Contra and an SBI Pharma, they're not doing well at all, so maybe he can take an exit call in that, and he can consider some of the good funds in the pharma and banking space if he still wants it. And in that space, it's Reliance Banking and Reliance Pharma that are doing really well, and that's not for a short period. Over a long time period, these two funds have been giving very good returns. And as for HDFC Top 200, you can definitely continue with that investment. It's one of the best large caps funds in the industry. And with the 5,000 that he has, I think maybe he should allocate 3,000 rupees to another large cap, that is ICICI focused blue chip, and 2,000 rupees can go to a mid cap fund like an IDFC Premier Equity.
Well, next up we have another email, and this one comes in from Sheetal. She's 45 years of age. She writes in from Bangalore, and these are the following investments she has. She does about 2,000 rupees per month in DSP Top 100, about 1,000 rupees per month in ICICI Pro Focus Blue Chip, about 1,000 rupees through SIP in Fidelity Equity, HDFC Top 200. And she does say, Renu, that she wants to downsize her portfolio. What should she hold and what should she redeem?
I think as far as her portfolio is concerned, she just has 4 funds. It's 3 from the large cap space and 1 is from the multi-cap space. I don't think there's any need to downsize this portfolio because 4 to 5 funds in a portfolio is quite good enough. And maybe if she wants to, maybe she can diversify the categories, because almost 70% of the funds are in the large cap space. So maybe she can move out of HDFC Top 200 because there's already 2 large cap funds, and she can consider a mid cap fund in its place like an IDFC Premier Equity. I think the rest all are fine. So.
All right, there's an email here coming in from Anand, who's from Delhi. He can invest for 2 years, he says, and he wants to know which are the best funds. He can invest 50,000 per month. Up front, you may want to tell him that that's not the kind of time frame that you should be looking at.
Yeah, that's very true, Vivek, because 2 years is quite a short time that any investor should consider. So if you ask me what kind of funds that I can give him, I don't think I can give him even in the equity space, I can't give him a mid-cap or multi-cap or a sectoral kind of funds. So he'll have to increase his time horizon, if he wants to take more risk. And if it's only 2 years, I think that maybe he can consider putting 60% into large caps, because that's supposed to show consistent performance during all market phases. Then 20% he can consider into a debt income fund like an ICICI Prudential Income Plan, and 20% can go into a dynamic bond fund like a Birla Dynamic Bond Fund.
Okay, we'll leave it there. Thanks very much, Renu, for coming by and taking questions of our viewers. Well, we wrap up this edition of Talk Money, about 100 points down on the Sensex, but lots of trades still to go. Keep watching Bloomberg UTV.